Welcome back. Let's talk about types of keywords now. Generally, there are three types of keywords: generic, branded, and long tail keywords. So, what are generic keywords? Generic keywords are very broad, uncategorized, and generic as the title suggests. Consider the example laptops. When someone searches for laptops and they've not decided what brand to go with, so it's a good time to show them your brand. These keywords are very competitive and unspecific. If your site ranks for a generic keyword, it will receive a lot of traffic, but conversion, in other words, people who will buy your laptop, will be low. Generally, when you're starting a new website, you would want to stay away from generic keywords because big brands and million-dollar companies are competing for them. Next is branded keywords. Branded keyword is specific to a brand. For example, if someone searches for HP laptop. In this case, the person searching for HP laptop is asking search engine to just show them HP laptops only. They're not interested in Dell or any other brand. This type of keyword are relevant for enterprise level business who already have the kind of strong name recognition that influences searches. If your brand name is X laptop, you shouldn't be targeting HP laptops keyword. Finally, long tail keywords. These keywords are long, more specific. For example, gaming laptops under $500, i7 laptops under $1,000, etc. Research shows us that 70% of searches conducted online use long tail keywords. More importantly, these keywords have a 36% greater conversion rate, which means they're more likely to result in a sale because they give consumers exactly what they're looking for. So as a new site or business, these are the keywords you need to target. Now, to conclude this lecture, your list should mostly contain long-term keywords, but you can add a few generic or branded keywords in as well. Next, we'll learn how to find the perfect keywords.